Welcome to MarineMax, Lake Excelsior on Lake Minnetonka here in Minnesota. Today we're going to take you through the all-new Aviara, new for 2020. This is hull number 2. Really cool, sleek, sophisticated boat, minimalistic yet very elegant. Come on in, we'll take you through it. Pretty cool boat. So one of the really impressive things is just this expansive platform back here. Very deep, very wide. Runs the same beam as the rest of the boat in at 10.4. This back seating area here is really cool, really unique. The way this works is they kind of call it a stadium seating. So these all pop up, and as you pop these up, you've got a nice little entrance point back here, and then you've got bar stools that pop up in the back. It's a really cool idea. Something very unique, something I really haven't seen anywhere else. And also, as you're hanging out in the water, this is just a great place to sit and hang out. So as you come in, you've got a really simple layout, nice big L-shaped seating back here, and on top of that, the whole back seat is heated, both the lumbar and the seats. Same thing with the cockpit chair here as well. So even on those cooler days, you've got cockpit heat and heated seats. Makes it for a pleasant evening out here in Lake Minnetonka. The wet bar, really cool design here. You've got a nice spot here to put your hors d'oeuvres, appetizers, that stuff if you're going out, and you've got just a really impressive wet bar. Super deep sink. There's deep bottle storage over here to the right as well. You can also secondary this as a cooler if you want to put ice in here and put your drinks in there. Little oversized refrigerator. You've got bottle storage for that too. And there's also our freezer as well. It's good for a 5-pound bag ice. You've got kind of a unique design here. This is an insulated cooler, kind of a Yeti style design. As that opens up, you got nice, really insulated area there, and the top cap actually seals that too. So pretty neat design. If that wasn't enough, they also got nice big insulated cooler on this side as well. The table's really a cool design, and also very functional. Flips out, so you've got a nice spot to sit and hang out there as well. The flooring is all SeaDeck, but kind of a unique design. It's a unique design. You're used to seeing just kind of the teak look, but in this boat they call it the Versailles pattern. So just something different. It really fits well on the boat. Probably the most impressive thing, not most impressive, but a very impressive thing is just the sheer size of the head. And there's a magnet that holds that up too, but I mean, I can almost stand up down there. Very impressive, clean, very usable. The helm is probably another very impressive thing here. So typically in a lot of these boats you've got some sort of GPS screen or something like that, but in this boat they really simplified everything. So very few buttons on the dash. All your buttons are right here as far as anything you want to run on the boat. So all your switching, all your lights, all the stereo, you've got full zone control. It's all Klipsch stereo system, all digitally tuned as well. All your engine diagnostics are over here on the right, and they're on the joystick itself. You can just click through and run through the different screens there. And then right in the middle, GPS. So everything's always there, easy to use. It's got auto tabs as well, so that'll level you front to back, side to side automatically. This boat has Ilmores in it, twin 430 horse, all joystick too. Out of all the joysticks that I've driven, one of the cleanest, smoothest, no clunks, all electro hydraulic, so really unique system, and it has a ton of response there as well. And as you come up front, we kind of looked at this earlier, but you've got just a really nice walkthrough on the side here, nice and deep. I mean, you really feel like you're in the boat. And then the hardtop, really nice design there too. We'll kind of run through that real quick as well. There's a extended sunshade. What's nice about this boat is it cantilevers out. It's very fast, super clean, and it tucks away when you're not using it. So as it comes out, you'll kind of see how it cantilevers back, but still plenty of headroom to walk in and out of the cockpit while it's deployed. It also has stabilization bars too, so if you want to run with it out, you can do that as well. Pretty nice design there. And it's just a one-touch, and it goes all the way back in on its own. Come see us in Lake Minnetonka. We've got the all-new 2020 Aviara here, and we'd love to take you through it. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon.